Hello, thank you very much for clicking the link in order to watch the movie. My name is Rodolfo Basilio and I'm a director of Vertice Group. I would like to invite you for our next business seminar, which takes place on 17th of July here in Vertice Services Business Center. So if you are really serious about business, keep watching this movie. It is very important for you. The business seminar will be about how to grow your business up to £500,000. We are talking about generating £500,000 in sales. I will talk about you as a business individual. Do you really have clear objectives that you need to achieve? And at the same time, are you really sure that you are ready to manage a larger business? Some of the business people are not. I will cover about the market itself. I will ensure that you are offering your service and your product in the right markets. And is your market that you are in now large enough in order to generate the volume of sales that you wish and you want to achieve? And I bring to you practical marketing techniques that can easily apply in your business. I'll give to you a 15 minutes business tips section. I bring to you very nice and easily practical tips that you can apply easily in your business in order to generate more volume of sales and increase your profitability in your business. I'll give to you free of charge 2 free guides worth £436, and I'll bring my marketing team, all the marketing experts, to give to you a free market analysis and a free website analysis worth £500. We are talking that I'm giving to you £936 free stuff that I'll give to you and you can carry back home. So if you want to book for the seminar, call us 020-7624-1616. Thank you.